because a lot of you don't have jobs. If you have a job, type in me. If you have a job, then you need to be saving your money to try to get a decent car. Your parents want to help you, but you gotta have a job. That is the next step in the process, because gasoline is expensive, insurance is expensive. The car won't run itself. You have to have gasoline, you gotta have oil changes, maintenance on the car. The least thing you need to do is keep gasoline in the car and change the oil. We haven't talked about headlights, taillights, routine maintenance. Then you have to have tags for the car. You need to have a registration. So the car has to be in someone's name. And that someone is probably going to be your mom or dad, your older sister or brother. And then when you drive, you want to make sure that you're driving safe. You do not want to have any accidents, because if you have an accident, your parents' insurance or your older brother's insurance or your grandma's insurance is going to go up. What's up, A? So what I need to tell you is you want to practice gradually till you're comfortable. You don't want to be thrown out in rush hour. I would never do that to anyone because it's overwhelming. The expectation is once you're in a car, you know how to drive. You know how to change lanes. I'm 19, the oldest sister, and I don't drive, but in general, scared to drive alone. Well, sister, if you were my younger older sister, I would say, I'm gonna help you. And I'm gonna get you out in my car and we're gonna drive in the neighborhood, right? I'm gonna support you. And I want you to feel comfortable. I'm gonna show you how to make right turns. I'm gonna show you how to make left turns. I'm gonna have you gradually going onto the road. How long does it take someone to learn how to drive and have the basics? It depends. It could be 50 hours, it could be 70 hours.